Hello everyone, this is our first lecture on Python basics. So first we have to open terminal. So Control Alt and T. Now we will change the directory to desktop. So cd desktop. Then let's make a project file mkdir python project. Now cd python project. Then gedit hello.py ampersand. Okay, what this gedit hello.py ampersand does is it will open up text editor and the hello.py file inside the text editor. And what this ampersand sign does is we will be able to write terminal commands after the text editor has opened, so we don't have to close the text editor to write terminal commands if we put this ampersand sign after name of the file. So now first what we will do is we'll write sharp exclamation slash bin slash python 3. This line here is called shebang. What it does is it will say that this file has to open with python 3 interpreter, which is inside slash bin file. So now to write hello world, we will write print hello world. Save it and let's minimize this. Now to execute this hello.py file, we first have to change its mode to executable. So to do that, chmod plus x gives it the permission to execute. So we'll chmod plus x hello.py. Now we can execute this hello.py file. Just let's execute it dot slash hello.py. Now here we can see our hello world text here. This is all for this video. See you in the next lecture.